How to factory reset your Oculus Quest 3 without a phone. So first of all, make sure your Quest 3 is already on good power. So it's fully charged and of course has power. So make sure that's done. Then what you're gonna do now is just go ahead and navigate to your volume down button and your power button. So this is the power button over here and the volume button as well. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have to press these two buttons at the same time for roughly 10 seconds or until you take a look inside your Oculus 3 and you'll see a little Android logo, or until you see this little setup over here. So you're gonna go to the USB update mode. So what you're gonna do is just navigate yourself to the factory reset button. So to do that, you can use the volume keys to go down and go up. So the volume down should bring this little blue light down, and if you want to go ahead and press on OK, that should be the power button. So navigate yourself to the factory reset button like so, and then once you're ready, just go ahead and choose factory reset by pressing on the power button, which should just be an OK button. So once you enter the factory reset, it's gonna ask for a confirmation. So the factory reset erases all data and it cannot be reversed. So once you're ready, just go ahead and press on the yes option, and you're gonna have to wait for a few minutes to allow your Oculus Quest 3 to fully factory reset. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.